Lord, we thank you for today. Thank you for waking us up. Orisekene kwangu. Ebi potera inura n'ụtụtụ a. Ugo dia. This early morning, where could she be? N'isi ụtụtụ ebe ka o nwere ike ịnọ. Ugo dia. Ha! My wife. Nwunye m.
Why is this man calling me? Give me what kind of quorum?
Hey, Kono. Oh, here she comes. Nekuya Kona Bia. Enenebe Jaro. Beauty queen. Wunyem. I want to go to farm, you know. Achom kanje olubo. And you know I like eating before going for farm. Ima ona masim irinli tupu njebe olubo. And I've searched for my food. I couldn't find any. Actually, please get me my food so that I can prepare for farming. Biko,
this man, is that why you were shouting my name? This early morning, is that why you are shouting my name? You don't want me to sleep. No, tuta. Why are you disturbing me? Because of food. Food.
It is my duty to provide for the family. Then I think it's your duty to cook and make me feel alright as my wife. I'll be going for work and I want you to give me my food. Biko, ana me jorubo. Achom kinye munli.
Do your mates eat before they go to the farm? Your mates, do they eat before they go to the farm?
Please, I don't know what you mean by my mates. I am not them. I want to eat. Then, if you say that you will not prepare food for me, I'll go and cook it myself. But let it be on record that you give me any food. I will go and make the food myself. Because I must eat before going to the farm.
It's better now. Why cook your food and eat your food? Okay,
you can see what I'm passing through in my house. Just bear it in mind. I didn't give me any food. Let the world hear my voice. The world should hear my voice. That my wife did not give me any food. Let heaven bear me witness that you didn't prepare any food for me. This is too bad. It's very appalling. He
was calling my name, shouting my name. I thought it's an important thing. You have suffered. You have suffered. You go him. You go why? I'll not be stressing myself. Now throw him off. That's a kind of body. Marriage.
Alulu wanyi si mezirike o. Osibe ni osimu fuwako obalalala mishi. Obalalala mishi o. Obalalala mishi. Obalalala mishi o. Obalalala mishi. Alulu wanyi si mezirike o. Nwaanyị shibe nni ọsị m fuwe ọkụ, ọbara alala m n'isi. Oh, ọbara alala m n'isi, oh. Ọbara alala m n'isi. Ọbara alala m n'isi, oh. Ọbara alala m n'isi. Alụrụ nwaanyị shime ziri ike, oh. Nwaanyị shibe nni ọsị m fuwe ọkụ, ọbara alala m n'isi. Oh, ọbara alala m n'isi, oh. Ọbara alala m n'isi. Let me feed you, my wife.